This video is to help you with number 5 on CR Helper number 25. It says find the quotient of 3 6/7 divided by 2. There are many ways to go about dividing mixed numbers by whole numbers. I'm going to choose to use the standard algorithm only because I believe by the end of your mod that you worked on, that's what you all moved towards, even though you investigated it several ways with drawings and finding common denominators. I believe by the end of your mod, you moved on to the standard algorithm. So that's what I'm going to go through with you. So if you want to divide a mixed number by a whole number, your first step is to rewrite that mixed number as an improper fraction. So to rewrite that mixed number. So if we have 3 6/7, what you have to do to change that, how many sevenths would that represent? Well, what you have to do is 3 whole circles times 7 parts in each of those whole circles. So you do 7 times 3 is 21. So 3 whole circles would represent 21 sevenths. And then you have 6 more sevenths to worry about. So then you do 21 plus 6. 21 plus 6 is 27. So 3 whole circles represents 21 sevenths. We have 6 more sevenths. 21 plus 6 is 27 sevenths. So your teacher probably has you do 7 times 3 is 21, plus 6 more is 27. So 27 sevenths. So instead of 3 6/7, we're going to write that as 27 sevenths. And then we're going to divide that by 2. Well, in order to divide a fraction by a whole number, you need to think that whole number can be written instead of just 2, we could write it as 2 over 1, because 2 divided by 1 doesn't change the value. At that point, your teachers have you keep the first fraction, change your division to multiplication, and they have you take the inverse of the second fraction. So they have you flip that right over and have that be a 1/2. Then they have you, once you drop that first one, change the division to multiplication, flip over that second one, they have you multiply straight across the top, straight across the bottom. 27 times 1 is 27. 2 times 2 is 4. So this would be 27 fourths. Now they would want you to change that back into a mixed number because 27 fourths is greater than 1. So we need to change that back into a mixed number. So they would have you take 27 and divide it by 4. 4 goes into 27. 4 goes into 27 6 times. 6 times 4 is 24 with a remainder of 3. So that means we would have 4 into 27, 6 whole circles, and then 3/4 of another circle. 27 fourths would be 6 whole circles and 3/4 of another. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 whole circles and 3/4 of another circle. It's going to be an ugly picture, but I just want to verify that that really is 27 fourths. So if I take 6 whole circles, divide each of those into 4 parts, this is extra information, so we really finished the problem here. Now I'm just verifying it. 27 fourths is 6 3/4. Well, let's just make sure I've done 27 fourths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. 27 fourths is the same as 6 whole circles and 3/4 of another. I hope that helped.